Hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog! To this video, mag-unpacking tayo ng mga in-order namin sa Amazon. Ito yung in-order namin sa Amazon. Lahat ay dumating ngayon, Sunday. So ito ang una natin bubuksan ay ang ito po guys ay in-order namin sa Amazon ay ang tablecloth, plastic tablecloth.
Yeah,
Kasi very strange dito guys kasi maraming store na pinuntahan namin na bibili ng ganitong tablecloth na usong-uso dati sa atin. Pero parang it's not exist sa sa store. So kaya nag-order na lang po kami sa online. So ito po guys. Ito yung may mga cloth kami na tablecloth pero gusto namin plastic. So wala sa store yung plastic. So ito yung order namin. Napakaganda yung material and also as in quality siya. So plastic dito and tapos dito sa kabila ay medyo clothes. Ay parang clothes po siya. It's cute. Do you wanna put on the table right now? Okay, we're gonna put this on the table. We'll see how it looks like. Marami kaming tablecloth na nabili ko pero we don't like that. Kasi parang nahuhulog sa medyo madulas sa lamesa. So kaya bumili kami ng magandang kulay at saka maganda yung quality. At sana hindi ito mahuhulog.
Okay, it should be like that.
Mm-hmm.
You should have some.
You know, back home we usually like a stopper, like
I know we used to have that.
Use that.
Yeah.
Yeah, to hold it here, right?
You could maybe I don't know if you could put a small tape.
Yeah.
So, yeah, stopper. Yeah. Oh, something here you should have to. So it is going to shift a little bit.
Right. Yeah. We will find out that later. At least we have that now. It's so cute. I like it. I like the color. It's so beautiful.
And if you have something heavy on it, it will stay in place.
Right. Maybe we can put that one just to...
Now it's not going to move. Have that on there. Yeah.
Lalo kasi may anak kami guys, pag si Micaela na gano'n dito, nakatayo dito ay all the time nahuhulog, pinupol niya. Order kami ng upuan ni Micaela dahil yung mayroon siya ngayon ay medyo maliit na po siya. Okay. Dari, ay. It's heavy.
Micaela, no.
Don't worry about it. Medyo maliit na po siya, kaya nag-order kami ng bago niyang high chair. How to open it?
Maybe this is top here.
Do you want it?
Yeah, you probably cannot.
This looks interesting. Yeah, Micaela, you can have that.
Should we put that in a box and close it up so we know what you
This stuff. So, wow. Oh, I like this one. I like the chair, the table. Oh, it's a bit heavy. It's seems is sturdy. Medyo maano siya, medyo bigat. So, ibig sabihin, it's good quality. Ito yung mga legs. This is all the legs. Oh, wow. It's very serious. It's not plastic at all. It's like metal in wood. It's heavy. Here, Daddy.
We're gonna assemble this tomorrow on.
Do it today.
Why is it so many legs?
Yeah, I know. Aray. Ay! At ito naman ay ang kanyang sa likuran.
So that's a share.
That's a chair. Yeah, there's a cloth in. Ano na naman kinain mo? Ano na naman kinain mo, man? Of course. She can eat anything. This one, she bites.
We can have some more matcha.
Baby, it's not important. I need to assemble because you're gonna have the lunch soon.
Yeah, I have to have lunch.
Okay, so there's any instruction of that? I think it's so easy to assemble. What is that? It's not the instruction, that one there?
No.
I don't see any. Oh, that there. Then. Michaela. You can't touch the phone. It's too far away, you know. Gustong-gusto, mahilig talaga sa cellphone tong anak ko. Wherever you go, you can't touch the phone. Look at your daughter. She saw the phone and she's running. Look at that. She don't know what to do. She can't reach the phone. Oh, poor Michaela. You can't get the phone. Okay, so this is the share. What we're gonna do first.
Warren King. Purposely designed a high quality product so that they can grow with both your child and your family. That's good. Never leave a child unattended.
Babe, go to the instruction first. Read it later. Eat in one.
So which one do you want to do first? Baby high
Yeah,
chair?
baby high chair, of course. That's what I have to do first.
Part list.
Oh. Ganito na siya, oh. Wow. Ang bigat. It's a bit. Oh. Okay, and then what is the next one? Ouch. Okay. Oh, this one is like separate. Ito yung table tapos ito yung ano, yung parang mat. Either you can use it or not. You don't have to. Yan. Ganda, oh. What are you miss? Malapit na matapos.
I don't understand how this.
Yeah, go through here.
What?
Yeah.
It's screw?
See? Hold it. Yeah, it depends how much you. Like that. And this is her mat. All right. So this is very easy to wash then. Yeah. It's like a magnet. Oh, this is right.
Minus?
Yeah, it just
Yeah.
stick together. And this one we don't put it. We don't have to use this one, right?
No. So that's for
For
a
table.
lower chair.
Oh, if she want the table later, if she
Yeah,
can
table like so that's a
wow
table. So that could be a table also. Huh?
later, yeah.
Or what?
Usually it's like this one is like goes under, you know, under. So this is it look like guys. Tapos na ang assemble is take an hour anyway. Maraming mga chichi burutsi. So try natin si Micaela dito. Come on, baby. Come. You know how to use it, baby? See this?
Yeah.
When you put the table, make sure you pull it
Okay.
and insert the thing.
Don't throw away these screws because
Put it together. Yeah, we need a later. Come here. See how it look like for you. Are you ready? Yay! Yay! This looks so beautiful. Are you excited? You have new chair. Hi, chair. I'm sure you'll be loved it.
so beautiful.
Give me the table, Daddy. You have to. This one is too tight. It's too low.
No,
It's too
yeah.
lost.
I need that with these for growing. Yeah, she's gonna double in the weight soon.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You know how to put it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. And you have to take it off
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Perfect. Don't push too hard, too much. Yay, Michaela! How was that? How was that, Michaela? How was it, Michaela? Michaela, how was it? Do you like it? Do you like your new chair? Yeah, it's more freedom talaga, guys. Doon sa kabila kasi medyo maliit. Tapos ito ay parang tablecloth. Pag may mga stain, pwede mo sa tanggalin and wash. Yan. Perfect. Awesome.
And this looks also more. You see,
Exactly. Mm-hmm.